Hey friends, on today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove these window deflectors that were installed. You can see mine got some major hail damage during the last storm. They're just these little plastic pieces that you insert up into your window. There is some adhesive that's basically on the back of this area right here. So all we really need to do is basically pull on this. Again, be careful based off of how old your adhesive is. You really don't want to hurt your trim. I find it helps to unroll the window. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna unroll the window and get a little bit better access to these. Okay, so we've got our windows rolled down now. And basically these were installed kind of funky. You can see this edge is pulled out. But again, they're just kind of shoved up into this window area that's up here. And so what we're gonna do again is just, depending on how sticky your adhesive is, sometimes you can just grab this and begin peeling it out. You can see that adhesive tape, that's what sticks it to the back there. Now again, as you can see, my little window trim stuff is coming loose with this. Again, you wanna be careful not to rip that or break it or yank it too far out of the window area. But I'm just gonna kind of go around and I'm just gonna slowly, kind of gently tug on this. You can see it already is kind of broken in places. And then we'll just get all of that adhesive stuff out that we can and kind of work our way around, making sure we push up all of this nice window seal back into place. Careful if you have areas like this where there is shards. Again, with my hail damage, you can see how sharp these edges are. These will cut you really easily. So you may need some needle nose pliers to kind of go in there and grab some of these pieces if yours look like this. Okay, so here's the final product after I removed both of the deflectors that were on this side. As you can see, the installation that the previous owner did, it really kind of messed up this internal trim piece inside the window well. And as the window goes up, it kind of hangs up on this. So you may see some damage depending on how well the installer did on the previous job when they put it in. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, give the channel a thumbs up. Lets us know we're making helpful videos. Stay tuned, we're making a bunch more of these little DIY tutorial videos to make your life just a little easier.